Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix MSVCR100.dll is missing and was not found in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's fix your problem. So the very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Simply double tap to open the browser or can simply use the button search bar if you don't see any of the browser application in your desktop. Okay, so here at the search bar, please type for MSVC. Okay, just wait. Type for MSVCR100.dll download and click on enter, and you would be redirected here at the results. Okay, so here you need to go to the first option, which is this MSVCR100.dll free download. Click this link. The moment you've click on it, wait until you are being redirected here. Okay, so here you need to scroll down, and before proceeding on the downloading of the file or the zip file, you need to check what system type do you have first in your Windows or computer. So how you can check if you have the 32-bit or the 64-bit computer, just have to use this button search bar here, okay? And type for about your PC. So once you've typed it, wait for a best match to appear. Okay, so I can see it here. Just have to click on open to continue. And the moment you've click on it, you would be redirected to the system settings. So just have to wait until everything's are ready for us. So once you are here at the About tab, you can see it here at the system type. In my case, I have the 64-bit operating system and a Time 64 based processor. So I'll be going to a 64-bit of the architecture type in the zip file that we are going to download. Okay, so just have to check whether if you have the 64-bit or the 32-bit, and if you have the 64-bit like mine, then you can go with the 64-bit. Okay, so here you need to look for a 64-bit zip type of zip file. Okay, so I can see it here. Just have to click this download link. Okay, and then close this ad and wait until you are being redirected to the downloading of the file. Okay, okay, so just have to check, and once this being done, okay, I can see it here, this being done. Okay, just have to close this and then close this window first, and then you need to proceed on your file explorer. Just have to click on your file explorer. Okay, and here you need to proceed on your downloads, or where is the zip file that we have just downloaded located to. So in my case, it is in downloads tabs. That's why I'm going here. Just have to copy this zip file and proceed to your C drive under this PC. Okay, and you need to go with Windows. Just have to double tap that to proceed. And here you need to look for two folders, and the very first is System 32. Okay, now here's the catch. If you're using a 32-bit value, I mean a 32-bit system type of computer, so all you're gonna do is you need to paste it here only in the system 32. So just have to click on continue to give permission on pasting the file. Once it is being pasted, if you're using a 64-bit value like mine, click this backward arrow, sorry for that, and then you need to proceed on the second file folder, which is this wow 64. Just have to double tap and then do a right click here and then click on this paste icon and then click on continue to give permission on pasting the file. And once it is being pasted here at the two folders, you need to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer to make any changes, okay? Don't worry because this process is harmless. It will only fix your problem. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.